Running a business is already tough. Clients, calls, job sites, and on top of that, building a website, nightmare. You try DIY platforms like Wix or GoDaddy, 40 plus hours of tutorials, and it still looks like a school project. You try a big agency, $10,000 price tag, and 6 months of waiting. Or template-based services, fast but boring, same design as everyone else. So, is there any better way? Yes. Introducing Webbry, all done for you website. A website that's fully designed, built, filled with content, and launched for you. No stress, no coding, no late night YouTube tutorials. Just tell us what kind of website you want or send a link to a website you like. Our team creates a free mock-up first. Love it? Great, we finish everything and make you go live in under 7 days. This isn't just a pretty website, it's a business growth engine loaded with super tools. My Work Manager, your full office in your phone. Create estimates, invoices, proposals, get e-signatures, and manage staff timesheets and projects. 90% of jobs go to the first bidder, and this app makes sure you're first. Insta-Connect. When someone visits your site, their inquiry instantly reaches your phone and email. No more missed calls. No lost leads. Call Jeannie, your 24/7's AI receptionist. She answers calls, talks to your customers, takes messages, and keeps them updated while you're busy. Blog and CMS. Want to update images, add services, or post blogs? Do it anytime. We even provide your website with content and images so it's ready to earn from day one. Pick your plan, starter, move up, or pro. Tell us about your business, or send a website you like. We can even clone it as a free mock-up. We build a free mock-up, customized design plus super apps installed plus your content added. You approve and go live. Like it? We launch it within 3 days. Want changes? We fix and publish. And yes, 99% uptime guaranteed. So stop losing jobs because your website isn't ready. Stop spending nights trying to be a web designer. You focus on your business, let Webbry handle your business online. Get your free mock-up today. Webbry, your business growth engine.